Hi and welcome to our channel. This is Cam and we have been staying at the Canopy by Hilton Cannes, and it is just behind the marina here that you can see. We are going to explore the area and we hope that you enjoy this video. Come along with us. Thank you. The Canopy by Hilton Cannes is a large hotel with 141 rooms over 6 floors, and there are 2 restaurants on site as well. This is Cafe Creme and that's located on the ground floor of the hotel. It's a lovely space. There is some options to do some co-working, which we did see whilst we were there. There is a great offering of drinks and also cakes and snacks, as well as a good selection of breakfast and brunch options throughout the day too. This was of the evening when it was actually closed, and it was just a nice opportunity to get some content because in the daytime it did get extremely busy. We absolutely loved all the pottery in here and how it was laid out. This was our room, a King Deluxe with sea view. Many of the rooms do have sea view offerings, and it was really nice to have a balcony with seats to enjoy the view. However, on the first day it was pretty rainy, so we didn't get to sit out there. It was quite a compact bathroom, as you can see here, a separate toilet to the shower and sink area, but the room was really nice and spacious, lots of storage and also workspace, and the bed was extremely comfortable too. This was the view from our room. As you can see, there was some construction going on just to the left, but it is a really well located hotel. It's in the Souquet Old Quarter, and that's a 5-minute walk from La Croisette and the Palais de Festivals. On the top floor is the Maria restaurant, and this is open during the day for lunch and also by night for drinks and dinner. As you can see, spectacular views all across the marina and across Cannes itself, and this also did get very busy, so if you are going to come here you do need to book in advance. Typically the cuisine is Mediterranean style, and this is the open rooftop which is overlooking the old port of Cannes. The weather wasn't too kind for us, however it did get busier during the weekend, and once the rain had gone this was a popular space. Even during our time in November it was still pretty warm outside. Whilst we didn't use the gym or spa, we did take a walk along. There were people in there, so we couldn't get too much content just for privacy purposes. But as you can see, the gym was quite small, but there was something in there for everybody. And also the spa area was a nice space too, with an indoor pool leading to the outside. We took a walk along the promenade and around the port de Cannes to take in all of the views of the boats. We did some shopping and we also went to see the sights. This is the viewpoint with the famous statue of Cannes at the top. As you can see, lots to view here, and it was a really quiet space, so a nice place to do some reflections. And this is the walk down from the viewpoint. We meandered down through the gardens and ended up in Le Saint Antoine, which was a beautiful patisserie, and this is where we had some breakfast, coffee, orange juice, chocolate twist that was absolutely huge, and a pain au chocolat. This is the public beach just across the road from the Canopy Hilton Hotel, and this is the beach that you could also see from our room. So that's our whistle-stop tour of Cannes and the Canopy Hotel by Hilton. We hope you've enjoyed this very brief video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we look forward to sharing more adventures with you soon. Take care.